Let us go further. Okay. Now when I consider A cross B, okay, I have told that it can be told in terms of I, sorry, in terms of I, J, K, correct? I, J, K, and then you have AX, AY, AZ, and then BX, BY, BZ. Now you can do in you can actually do the matrix multiplication directly. There is another way. Maybe this is the how can you do it is you write I J K, easy way of matrix multiplication. Okay, because you don't have matrices in your gate calculator. Okay, in your Casio calculator you may have matrix multiplication directly. You enter the things, you will get it. Okay, but in case of matrix multiplication when numbers are involved, what you have to do is you have to write these two here again. Okay, so we will write this as I AX and BX. Okay, and then we will write J AY BY. Okay, next what you do is you directly add this. You say is equal to, okay, is equal to, say this particular thing is equal to, okay, you can write this as plus AY BZ into I, then here plus AZ, see this way, these are all pluses, okay, pluses, plus AZ BX into J, plus you go in this fashion AX BY into K, done. Next go in this direction. When you go in this direction you put minus, so you put say minus AX BZ into J, minus you go in this fashion, you say AZ BY into I, minus here, okay, minus BX AY into K. That gives you the total thing. See, if you see what is it coming as, it comes as AZ BX, AZ BX, correct? Sorry, AY BZ, I'm sorry, AY BZ, AY BZ, and I we will take here AZ AY BZ, and here you will get minus AZ BY into I, is it not? See, AY BZ AZ BY into I, correct? Then we will get plus, if I say here we will get, let us take J. J is coming as AZ BX minus AX BZ. You see, generally we put a minus here, and then when we put a minus, we say AX BZ AZ BY. Now, sorry, here I made a mistake, I suppose. AZ BY, AZ BY, correct? AZ BY, correct? AX B AX BZ. I'm sorry, this is AX BZ J, correct? This is AX BZ. This is AZ, one second, AZ BX. Then we have, when we come here, minus AX BZ, correct? So AX BZ, sorry, AZ BX minus AX BZ. See here, this minus is incorporated here, because when we do it, what we should get, AX BZ. AX BZ with the minus will go here, observe. So that is J, okay? Then plus, we may have in terms of K, AX BY minus Bx Ay. Okay. So this way we can easily, we need not worry about minus and going here and there. There's a probability that we will miss. For example, let us see one example. Okay. Example we will see here. Example I'll say 102 210, okay, 321. Let us have this particular this one. Let us find out the uh, determinant of this. How do we find the determinant? Write this again, 1 2 3. So that I'll write it here. This can be equal to, you write 1 2 3 0 1 2 0, sorry, 201 and then you have 1, 2, 3, then you have 0, 1, 2. What you do, you add, multiply this. So what is it? 1 into 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 plus 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Correct? Then minus, you come here, minus 0, minus 0, minus 3 into 1 into 2, 2 into 1 into 3, that is minus 6. Correct? So the answer you will get directly as 9 minus 6, 3. Check it out, otherwise see what is the answer you get. So easily you will be able to write it, especially in GATE. It will be handy to calculate matrix multiplication, determinant, find the determinant of a matrix. Make sense? This can be used even here.
So this holds for any order determinant.
Any order determinant it will help, but yeah, any order determinant it will help in higher order also, but you have to take three terms like that. 4 into 4 if you have, then you have to,
The first three. If it's five, first four, like that. Okay.
very easy one, and don't have to worry much, because when it is fourth order and all, this becomes very easy, handy.
Yes, sir, we will get the answer 3.
Correct, no? Yes.
Yep.
Write this down, students. When you finish, you tell me. So when we talked about dot product, okay, we talked about what? When we talked about dot product, we talked about work, we talked about angles, is it not? So in case of cross product, 1 second, students. Hello, Aditya. Good morning. Link you did not receive? Come on, I am sorry. Join with the same link yesterday, what I said for mechanics. Okay, please join. Sometimes this Google does not send it. I have sent to everybody, students, but the thing is that, let me check again whether Aditya has not got. Aditya was getting every time, so civil new. Aditya. I think Aditya has not got it. Yes, Aditya has a trouble. Aditya, tell me your email ID, pa. Is it there here? No. Aditya nitk8@gmail.com, is it not?
Yes, sir, it's there.
But somehow, sometimes problem happens. Okay. I sent me the same. Deepesh, you got it right now?
Yes, sir, I received.
Yes, yes. So sometimes there is a trouble, students. That's why I use the same this one as told by our Ramakrishna Kamath. Okay. So I'm using the same link. Okay. So same link I'm using every time. Okay. It will be helpful. Okay. Yes.
Sir, yes, sir. If you are using the same link, then you can add this to group description.
In which?
No, sir, in WhatsApp group description.
No, no, no. The thing is that when I do that, what will happen is you will every time you click, I have to give you a what do you say? Give you a admit.
Admit. Okay, okay, yes, sir.
If I send it to your this one, as if I send it to your
Mail. Yes, sir.
mail,
You send it to mail. I just wanted to say like some may not find it easily. So
the
that's the
people who come daily, they will find it. Is it not? Just
yes,
write
sir,
it down.
that's true, sir. Yes.
See, just write it down. Okay. You can copy it now itself. Okay. So you can use this link directly. You can copy it down and keep it. Okay. JNFMQYHEEJ. Okay, that you can write it somewhere. And that we are going to use for mechanical. Civil is different. I don't remember that. The same thing we are going to use. Okay. So this week our Murali sir is not able to join. Next week he'll join. Okay. Mahantesh, the problem is he had to go to his hometown. Okay. So he is working in REC Hulkoti. Okay. So today is Muharram, is holiday for them. So what he will do is he will go to other places. Okay, he'll go to his hometown. So in his hometown, there might be reason, there might not, he might not get the what do you say, internet. Okay, so if he gets today, he will take it tomorrow. Otherwise, he will not take it tomorrow also. Okay, so no problem, students. We can manage with that. Okay, done. Have you written this down, students?
Sir, 1 minute.
No, sir, no.
Yes or no? Others, one person has a problem. Write it down. Try to understand this. Take time. Is there anybody who has not finished writing?
Yes, sir.
Just
There
a
is
minute.
one. Huh?
1 minute.
Okay. Speak clearly, because when you put your what you have to do is, you have to, after switching on your mic, then you have to start speaking.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. That's what. That's what.
That happens with me also. I go with sometimes flow. Yesterday, Manoj sir was asking, okay, Anand sir, are you there? Okay. And I was saying, I'm there, sir, I'm there, sir, I'm shouting. I'm thinking, why he is not hearing? Then I saw this is mute. So we act stupid sometimes.
Done.
Done. Very good. Now, let us see another problem related to angles here with cross products. Okay. We have a pyramid. This is a common question which I've told a lot of times. Okay. A pyramid for that matter. Okay. Uh, we may take another examples also, but still we will take this. There's a square pyramid. Okay. This is the base of the pyramid, which is square. Okay. And then this is, say, A, B, C, and let us have this center is over here. Let us build from the center to the top. Somewhere here. And then let us join this. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a pyramid. Okay. So now on this pyramid, okay, it is seen that everything has a thing of 100 feet. Okay. 100 feet is the sides. Okay. And the height of this pyramid is 300 feet. Big pyramid, I think it is from Egypt only, because 300 feet pyramid is from Egypt only, is it not? So this is Egyptian pyramid. Okay. I know, I don't know which pharaoh is. Okay. Pharaoh. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay. So I don't know which pharaoh is. Okay. Now, what you have to find out is determine, the question is determine the angle between any two inclined planes. Find the angle between any two inclined planes. When you say inclined plane, any two inclined planes. There's an inclined plane here, there's an inclined plane here. Correct? In a pyramid. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to find the angle between those two. So what is it? I'll give you an example. We will do only one thing, because you could have done any one, because all the angles are same. So what you're doing the included angle. So let us see. Find angle. Okay. Angle between, as a solution. Okay. As a solution. This comes as a solution. Solution is find angle between, say, A, B, D and B, C, D. Two inclined plane. We are going to find the angle. Okay. So first of all, we have to fix the coordinates. Let us fix the coordinate to point E. And let us say this is to show that we are following the same thing. Everyone gets the same answer. Same answer in the sense the end answer will be the same. But intermediate answer also we should get the same, is it not? For that reason, I'm doing this. Okay. I'm telling to fix. Otherwise, it doesn't matter what coordinates where you take. Okay. But you have to go with the right-handed rule. That's it. Let us take this X, Y, and Z. Now tell, okay, now you have to tell me that how to find out the angle between ABD and BCD. Can we do it, students? How to find out? First of all, the way is find the area vector of ABD and BCD. Then find the cosine or find the angle between area vectors using dot product. This is the way to go. Okay, way to go is find the angle. First is find the first find the area vector. Second one, find the angle between the area vectors using dot product. Okay, first let us find the area vector. What is the area of ABD? How can we do that? That can be written as equal to half into, because it's a triangle. Okay, so ABD. First thing we have to see is which is the direction. Okay, which is the direction? The direction, let us understand that there is an inclined plane here, and then there is an inclined plane here. Okay, so you have to get this angle. So you have to come inside the same. So it has to go inside the pyramid. Okay, so if it has to, the area vector has to go inside the pyramid, then what should we do? We should do AD crossed with AB. Okay, so let us find out area ABD is equal to AD crossed with AB. Fine. So AD crossed with AB will get the area vector. What is AD? Let us see. Half into, what is AD? AD can be written directly as A into D. See, it is in 50%. It's here, right? So along X, I have to go minus 50, correct? So minus 50I makes sense, students? Minus 50I. If I am wrong, you tell me. Plus 50J, okay? Plus 300K, correct? Crossed with second side from B to D. You have to go in X direction as minus 50I, in the Y direction also minus 50J, then plus 300K. Make sense, students? This is AB and AD and AD and sorry, I'm sorry, this is wrong, student, this is wrong. I'm very sorry, this is wrong. Okay, so what it should be? It should be going from A to B. A to B. A to B is only 100J, is it not? It is 0I, 1 second. It is 0I plus 100J plus 0K, correct? So we have to find the cross product. Anybody who did not understand this? Anyone who did not understand how did I find AD and AB? Please raise your hands. I will see here.
Can
Who
I
did not
explain?
understand this? Yes, Shane?
Can I explain once again, sir?
Yes, I'll explain. Okay. So now again, okay, let us see. See, when I go from A to D, from A to D, okay, AD is in between, so I have to go in the X direction. Here, observe, let me use the arrow. From A to this particular point in between, not E is here, okay, this particular point. To go from here to here, I have to go, this is 100 divided by 250 in the minus direction, because positive X is in this direction. I have to go in minus X direction. So minus 50. Then from here we have reached, from here to go to here, we have to go along the Y direction, positive 50. So we have reached at the middle. Then we have to go up, correct? So when you have to go up, how much? 300. So 300K, fine. What about this A to B? A to B, we are on the x-axis. A and B both have the same x coordinates, correct? A and B both have the same z coordinates. So we need not move in x and y. So the x and z. So that's why it's 0 and 0. But the y coordinates varies by how much? 100. From here to here, we have to go in the positive y direction by 100. So it is 0I plus 100J plus 0K. Make sense? Now let
Yes.
us find. Yes, very good. Okay.
Sir, why it's not AB cross AD, sir?
Y is,
Why it's not AB cross AD?
see, when you consider when you say AB crossed AD, I go in the other direction. You have to see from here to here, when I take the, this one, I am doing AD cross with AB. put your fingers in that direction. Okay, in that direction. The angle will go inside. The area will go inside. Correct. The area vector goes inside the pyramid. Okay. Similar way we are going to take for BCD also. We are going to take the area vector in such a way that angle goes inside. Okay. Now you may ask a question, sir, if it goes outside, then what? No trouble also. Then also no trouble. Okay. But we are being conscious of how the area vector is going. Okay. Even if it is the other way around, you will get the same answer. Okay. That we can check it later. But now we are being conscious that the area vector goes like this and the other area vector goes this way, and then we are finding the angle between those two vectors. Make sense?
Yes, yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Now find out this particular thing. Half into what we will do. We will write minus 50. Sorry, we will write I, J, K. Then again, if I want, I can write I and J minus 50. So we will write minus.
Sir, to get the positive area, what is the direction of the perpendicular vector, sir?
See, it is not positive. You see, you follow the right hand. Positive, negative, leave it. Okay. Now what is the question you're asking? You're asking about area vector, is it not?
Like, sir, there is a like particular direction where we get positive area. So what's that direction, sir? Like,
No, positive area is about what you see. What you say, it is positive. If
So
I say
it's like he's asking.
this is how you call it.
yeah,
Makes sense? You say this is positive, the other one will be negative.
yeah. Like, what if we do AB cross AD? Will we get negative or positive only?
We will get, when you say AB cross AD, it will be negative of AB cross AD. That's it. Makes sense?
Yeah, like value will get positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, right? When AB cross AD.
Negative of this one. No, whatever is the answer, we will see whether we'll get negative or not. Okay. So here what it is a vector. Now when you have a vector, you have some I plus some j plus some k. What you will say, whether it's negative or positive? Correct. Let us see.
Yes.
Let us see. Let us understand this further. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, negative and see, for example, one of the things I will tell you. If you consider in everybody has done solid edge, is it not? Okay. In solid edge, you have a cube. Say you draw a cube here. Okay. So you draw a cube. Okay. What does solid edge treat is whatever is facing you. Okay. It is positive area. What is inside is a negative area. That's what it considers.
Okay, got it, sir. We'll get in vector now. Like I thought we'll get in magnitude, so I got confused.
Yes, you get in vectors. That's it. Okay. Now it depends on what you consider positive and what you consider negative.
Yeah, sir.
So things are very good, and this type of questions has to be asked. One of the problems what happens in our VTU colleges is most of the time we are stuck in what do you say creating discipline. When discipline is not natural and it has to be imposed, then it will become police state, and police state is never good. Okay. So it is here 50, 300. And here you put plus 50. And then here you say 0, 100, 0, 0, 100. Okay. Now find the vector here. So this is I is 0. So half you'll keep it here. So this is 0, 0. Here you get minus 50 into 100. So minus 50, 100. That is 5,000. Okay. Then you come here. This is 0. This is 0. Then this is 0. So you get the thing as, I'm sorry, here I have made a mistake, student, somewhere. I don't know where did I make a mistake. Just a second. It will not come like that. Just 50i plus 50j, 300k. Fine. So 300 into 1000.
I got minus 15,000i minus 2,500k, sir. Normal method.
No. That's correct. There's a mistake I've done here. Okay. The mistake I've done is here. This is fine 0. This is 0. Fine. This is minus 5,000k. Correct. Minus 5,000k. And then we have 5000 K, and then 1 second. Okay, then we have on this side 50 0 I 300 into 1000, so it is minus 300 into 100, right? So we get this as I. Correct? You get the same thing, Mister? Do you get this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got the same thing.
You get it as, so
Yes,
when
sir.
you do this, you get it as 15,000 I plus minus is there anyhow. So if you consider this as a minus area, fine, then it's a minus area. Depends on what you consider. Okay, so minus 15,000 I plus 2,500 K. Make sense? This is one done. Similar way, find out the next one as, say, you have to get this, is it not? Next, find area vector for BCD. See that it has to go inside, so it is BC DB BD crossed with BC. So it is half into BD crossed with BC. Find that out. Okay, that you will find it out. Okay, and tell me what is the vector you get. This you do it, students. Okay, and tell me what is the vector you get.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, I have a question, sir. Why in when we are doing in a determinant, sir, it's ijk and again ij. Why is that?
I am using this method, Baba.
Okay, I missed that, sir. So I yes.
The method is, say, if you write ijk and then again repeat this ij. Okay, now
Yes.
what happens? You can directly do I A Y B Z, J A Z B Y, K A X B Y. Then when you come reverse, you do minus. Okay,
Yes.
you say AX BX J, AZ BY I, okay, BX AY K, this way, minus. That will give you the determinant. You can see here. When you have to find out the determinant of this, I have written it like this. I have added these two again. This is a shortcut. It will become easier for you to solve. Right? Especially speed is increased because of these techniques. Okay.
Yes.
So 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 0. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then minus 0, 0. Minus 6 is equal to 3. Correct.
Yes.
Makes easy. Makes life easy. Because
Thank you, sir.
determinants is something which we have to use in number of places in civil engineering or in gate. Correct. Okay, so if you can find the determinant easily, fast, it's always helpful, correct?
Yes.
Then it depends on the ease with which you are. If you're comfortable with the previous method, go with that. Don't worry. Don't ask me. It's your personality that matters. Don't say that this is the easiest one. See which is the easiest one for you. If you think the regular method itself is easier for you, fine, go for it. We as a coach, no, we should not impose any methods. We should inform all the methods. That's it. Our purpose is this method exists, Baba, this method exists. Which is better for you, you choose. Correct. Because sometimes after this Olympics, Neeraj Chopra, this one I am following this thing like anything, this sports things. Yes, final answer is how much, Baba? 88.5. Very good, Sharon. That's correct. Okay, that's correct. Final answer is 88.5 degrees. Correct. What is the area BCD you got, Sharon? Did you get the same thing in the separate fashion? Right. So did you get 15,000 J plus 2,500 K, correct? Did we get this? So many feet square. Correct, Sharon? Sharon, I think you have a problem with your, correct. Yes, minus. In a minus. Okay, so both are minus. That way you can consider it as a negative area. Okay. So you find the angle between those two. How do you find the angle? You find the angle by saying, I hope everybody has written this down. I'll give you time if you're not written. Okay. So what you say? You say angle theta is equal to, you have A, what was that we used? ABD and BCD. Okay. So ABD vector, area vector, BCD vector divided by cos theta. Cos theta is equal to ABD vector magnitude into BCD vector magnitude. And you get cos theta as something like, you get cos theta as 0.0270. And then that means theta is equal to 88.5 degrees. It's very important you solve it by yourself, students. Okay. Done. Now let us see one of the things which is related to this cross product, which is called moment of a force. Okay, very important. Okay, so let us understand moment. Students, every time I take classes, it will be a bit different, not always the same. But not very different also. The examples I take is almost similar. Okay. How many of you have not understood it? Raise your hands. Have not understood. Okay. You have not completed, that's fine. Okay. How many of you have not understood? Okay, Aditya. Okay. Or any others? No, everybody has understood. Aditya, I think he came late, so that's why he might. Any other person is there? Who is that? Who else? Siddhi Vinayaka. Okay. Anybody else who has not understood the concept? Okay. Nobody else. Aditya and Siddhi Vinayaka has not understood. Okay. Fine, that's fine. Okay. So let us understand first. Now, first of all,
Sir, this one, my doubt is, sir, like with respect to A point, we have to find the coordinates of D or what? That's what.
yeah, with respect to A only, yes. Because we are telling this vector, understand. So we are saying this vector, okay. We are using this method, let us understand. See here, we have to find the area. How do you find the area? If you want to find the area of ADCB, or ABCD, what we'll do? From this, we have this vector, AB vector. You have AB vector and then AD vector. Okay, this forms a parallelogram. Okay, and it is the area of this. Okay, what is AB? If you say A is coordinate, you say 1, 2, 3. Let us say that. And this coordinate is, say, because x coordinate has to change. So 5, let us say this is 2 and then this 3. Then what you should do? You should see how much it moves here, is it not? Or let us say this is 2 only. Let this be 5. Okay, it is going in the x direction here like this down. Okay, so if this is the case, how do you find AB vector? You have to say 5 minus 1. That means if you say 5 minus 1, that means I'm going in this direction by plus 4. Correct? Correct. So if I say this is the vector, say x, y, and z. Okay. So what does that mean? I'm going in this direction by 4. So from this point, you can see how much in the x direction I have to move to reach this point. Correct? Similar way, in terms of y, it's the same vector. So I don't have to move at all. Correct? So the answer AB here, AB vector will be equal to, you have 4i plus 3k. Correct? Because 5 minus 2k, 5 minus 3, 2k. Makes sense? Similar way, here when you take, observe, okay, when you take here, this would be from A to D. When you take from A, I have to reach D. So momentarily place the coordinate system over here. Take it as 0, 0, 0. And say how much I have to move. Along x I have to move minus 50 because x positive is this side. Sorry, x positive is this side. Negative is the other way around. Correct? So I have to go in the negative direction minus 50. Then along y direction. See from this point to this point plus 50. Then 300. So I will reach from A to D. Make sense now? Now you have that doubt?
Understood, sir.
Aditya, is it clear?
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so like this we have to go, and then we
Sir,
finish.
would you move to the next slide? Oh, thank you.
Yes. So find the angle between that. See whether you get this answer. This vector is very, very important, students.
Sir, I did not understand why do we take one vector in one direction and the other vector in other direction? What
Because
is the
what we
problem? What happens if we take both in a positive direction?
no problem at all. You get the same thing.
Okay.
No problem at all. You get the same thing. Okay, you can check that. That's what I said. Oh, there is a power cut, students. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, there is a power cut. I'm sorry. Okay, so I don't know till how much it will go. Till it goes, let it go. Okay, I will reduce my this one. 1 second. Yeah, I know power cut is there. Let it go for 10 minutes. Okay. Announce के अलावा power cut है तुम्हें. Let it be. Okay, if the power cut continues, okay, it may come within 5 minutes. If it comes, it comes. Okay, if it doesn't come, when it comes, I will tell you. Okay, so that time we will continue. Okay, so yes, I have reduced all the other consumption. Okay, so I hope you can see this image, right, students? Yeah, any doubts you have, you can ask me. The backup comes for around say 5 to 10 minutes. The backup will come. Okay, sometimes power comes within that time. Yeah, any doubts, students?
Save this presentation, sir.
Previous slide.
No, save this presentation, I said.
Huh. Thank you. Thank you. Who said this?
Me, Deepesh.
Very nice. Very nice. Super. So you understand me. Okay. My students are my technical team. It's another way of saying that I am sloppy. Okay. None. Once it is done, we can go for the next topic, students. Moment of a force about a point. Okay.
Sir, like the point from which we start remains the same throughout the problem, right?
Point.
Like
Point.
now we have point A, right?
Ah.
So even for the second cross product output, we are starting from that same point. No, that point remains the same.
No, from B we have.
Okay. Whichever is the common point between the two vectors, that one.
Between the two vectors, what angle we have to find? We have to find the angle, the area of BCD, is it not?
Okay. Fine.
So we are finding the angle between ABD and BCD.
Okay. A is not there only in the second triangle. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. My bad.
Okay. So here I am saying AD and AB because you have AD and AB. In the second case, it's BC and BD. Agree, students? Most of the students don't understand these coordinates initially. Okay. But once it is told, then it is fine. Okay. They are fine with it. And this is the basic thing in engineering. Somehow engineering teaching has to change a lot. Because we talk about completion of the syllabus. Once it is told, done. But we don't see it holistically, whether the things have reached the students, whether they can apply these things in industry, in the practical
So
thing. We
can
don't see
how we have solved the determinants here. Second step, sir. How we have
second one
solved
here.
the determinant. Yeah, yes, sir.
One. Okay, let me do it. Okay. So the second one, if you see, what is the second? This one we have. Let me do it. Okay. Just a second, students. I have gone away from that. Okay. So let us do that. So the second one, what is that? It is BCD. If you consider BCD, this BCD area BCD can be written as half into BC crossed with BD. Correct. This is what we have taken, right? BC crossed with BD. No, BD crossed with BC. BD crossed with BC. Correct. BD crossed with BC. Now let us take it as half. What is BD? BD can be written as minus 100I. Correct. It's minus 100I crossed with, let us say this is here, okay, and let us say this is this crossed with BC. Sorry, BD is sorry, not BD is not this. I'm sorry. BD comes as I'm sorry here, students. BD comes as if you go from B to D, it goes as along x direction 50. So minus 50I, minus 50I, minus 50J, correct? Minus 50I, minus 50J, plus 300K, correct, students? Plus 300K, correct? Crossed with, we have BC, which is given as minus 100I. Make sense? Are you getting that? So now this would be half into, let us put it, I, J, K, minus 50, minus 50, plus 300, 0, sorry, minus 100, 0, 0. And here we have I, we have minus 50, minus 100. Then you have J with minus 50 and 0. Let us find it out. This comes as 0.5 into I, here 0. So here this is 0. J into 300 into 100 minus what do you say, 30,000, right? 30,000 J minus, because there's a minus over here, that is the reason. Okay, if you say K 0, fine. J 0, fine. Here 0, fine. Okay, here you get minus of 100 into 50, so 50,000, correct? So we get minus, no sorry, 5,000, correct? 100 into 50 is 5,000, right? So minus 5,000 A. Makes sense? So this would be equal to minus 15,000 J minus 2,500 K. Makes sense? Got it, Varsha?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. So that's how we go with it. Okay. Done. Now find the angle between those two by using cosine. Students, keep your WhatsApp. What is it? When if the current goes and again if the power is coming, okay, then keep the WhatsApp ringtone in high. Okay, so that when the classes starts, I will start within 10 to 15 minutes. I'll start the class. Okay, once the power comes. It's going on. Tell me when you're finished, students. I'll start with the next point. That is
Sir,
yes, done.
sir, we can write BD or BC as like EB minus ED, like
Yeah, we can write it as
like the vector BD can be written as EB minus ED, like say
EB minus
ED. Sorry, ED minus EB. Like.
EB minus EB. You're taking a parallelogram here. Okay. Yeah, we can do that. No problem. But then it is a long way. You have to find ED
Yeah.
vector, then you have to find EB vector. And the direction has to be consistent, correct?
Yes, sir.
So you can write, no problem in writing.
Sir, could you please explain once again how to get vector AD, AB, BD, and BC? I am a little confused with this.
Okay. See, one of the things what you do is, I'll again repeat here. Okay. See, if I have to find out between 2 points, say 1, 2, 3, piece of current has come, very nice. So our weight is good. Okay, 1 second, students. Let me change the settings here. Okay, the kids are really excited. Yes, 1 second. Yeah. So now what happens here is when you consider A and B here, okay, to move from A and B, one of the things we can do is we can say 5 minus 1 I, correct, plus 2 minus 2 J plus 5 minus 3 K. Make sense? Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will be 4I plus 0J plus 2K. Correct. Now, what
Yes.
does that imply? That I am going from A to B in the direction of X by 4 steps.
Yes.
Then along K, I am going by 2 steps to reach B.
Yes, sir.
Similar way, let us understand this. If I say here from A to D, if I have to go, what will I do? I will go back in the X direction, go back in the X direction by 50 steps. Why 50 steps? Because 100, we have to reach in the middle here.
Yes.
Correct. So every side is same. BC is equal to AE is equal to AB is equal to EC. Correct. So you're
Yes.
going back by 50. Correct. So when you're going back, you're going from A here in the negative X direction by 50. Make sense?
Yes.
And from here, if I have to go from this point to this point, this middle point here.
Yes.
So we have already reached, when I said minus 50I, from A, I have reached this middle point between A and E. Correct.
Yes.
From this point, we have to go to the middle of the base. Then how much
Yes.
should I go? Along
50.
Y direction, I have to go plus 50.
Yes.
Then to reach D, what should I go? Plus 300.
300. Yes.
So to go from A to D, I have to go because I can go only in perpendicular direction.
Okay.
So it is not a polar coordinates where you say some theta, some alpha, you go in that direction. There are other two coordinate systems. This is Cartesian. Other two coordinate systems are cylindrical and spherical. If you are going by spherical here, it is very easy in fact, okay, because you say you go by some angle here, then some angle here, and in that direction you go directly by whatever the inclined length is. Correct.
Yes.
But here what is happening? Okay, you go first in this direction because roads are only in this direction, X direction, Y direction, Z direction. Or you may say, sir, why should I go like that? Can I go first 50J, then minus 50I and plus 300K? Yes, you can go that. Okay, that is just simply interchanging this. That's it. Correct?
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes. Sir.
Similar way, you can find out the other ones also.
Yes. Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
So once can you explain this theta cos theta 1 thing? That answers both I got that of BCD and ABD, but I didn't get this cos theta 1 thing.
Okay, let us understand this. So what we get? Cos theta is equal to, you have ABD. What is ABD there? ABD is vector ABD. 1 second, students. ABD is minus 15,000 I plus 2,500 K. Correct. So that minus we will keep there because both are positive. It becomes positive, is it not? One minus another minus. It is 15,000 I. Correct. It is 15,000 I. And then the other one is 2,500 G. Is it not? I'm sorry. Just tell me, students.
Yes, sir. It's a
2,500
2500.
2,500 watt K, right?
Hey,
Dotted with here BCD would become 15,000 J, 15,000 J plus 2,500 K.
okay.
Correct. That divided by square root of 15,000 square plus 2,500 square dotted with here again the same thing, 15,000 square plus 2,500 square. Correct. Let us take the dot product. 15,000, when you see the dot product, you will get it as 15,000. What is I here? Not there, is it not? You see I is not there, correct? J is not there. Dot product, when you say, how do you take the dot product? Okay, so what you get as a dot product is, when you take the dot product, you get 2500 into 2500, you get only 5000, correct? Sorry, 2500 square K, right? That is what you get cos theta as. No K, 2500 square alone, is it not? Make sense?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Divided by 15,000 square plus 2500 square, correct?
Yes, sir.
So see what is the answer you get. See how dot product is taken, okay? Let me
Got
check.
it, sir. Got it. Got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Very okay. Go with the basics first. One of the main thing what we don't have now is that we have not solved problems by ourselves. Okay, not to solve difficult problems. Okay, or even the basic problems we have not solved. Correct. So we have to learn how to solve unknown problems. The problem solving skills have to be developed. Okay. For some people it is natural. Some people it has to be. You have to acquire that. Okay. And one of the things what happens, students, with a teacher, with a lawyer, with a doctor. Okay. You should not to say you must not conceal your inabilities or conceal your weaknesses. Okay. In front of the lawyer who is true to you, doctor who is true to you. Okay, or a teacher who is true to you, you should not conceal your weakness. You'll always grow. Okay, if you don't conceal. Similar way with the teacher also, if you don't know, please tell don't know. There is no point of insulting. Okay, there's no point of insult if you don't know. Okay, that is one thing you have to understand. Okay, fine. Okay, because you see your teacher was also very poor during that time. Okay, when your teacher, that is me, when I passed out from engineering, I just laugh on the simple mistakes I have done even in our Kendra Engineering College. I was a very bad teacher. Okay, during my 2005 when I joined. Okay, and I had a great amount of ego at that time. Okay, so I'm not saying ego is less now, but still, okay, it is at least refined. Okay, fine. Yes, students. Okay, any other things? Let us go with moment of a force about a point. Done? Hello. Are you there, students? How many of you have not still understood how?
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
How many of you still did not understand what we have done till now?
Sir, I have one question regarding the previous question, sir. Sir, the coordinate XYZ in the figure are given, or we'll have to.
See, even if it was not given, you could have done it. It's given here.
Yes, sir. So, sir, we can take it like if we take it, we can take it in different ways also, right, sir?
Yes, exactly. But it should conform to right hand rule, simple and straight.
Okay.
So when you take in different way, these values AD, AB will remain the same, whatever coordinates. But it may so happen that I, J, K may change here and there. That's it.
Yes.
Correct. This may be 50J, 50I minus 50K J plus 300K. Depends on what is the coordinates you take. But the end result will be the same.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
But you have to see that whenever you take a coordinate system, you should not take a wrong coordinate system. In the sense, what is wrong coordinate system? Right-handed rule is thumb is X, index is Y, this is Z. This you can place anywhere in any orientation. Okay, but you cannot change that. Okay, nor you can go with the other hand. You don't use left-hand rule. It's sinister to use left-hand rule. You know that? Left hand is sinister, sin. Okay, that is English language. Okay, sinister is another name for left hand. Okay, fine, students, done. Shall we go further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next point which is important is moment of force about a point. Let us see this. Moment of force about a point. moment of force about a point. Let us see how to do it. What is moment of force about a point? Moment of force about a point is given as m, which is a vector, is given as r crossed with f, nothing else. So if I have a point here, okay, point A, and then I have a force somewhere here, say the force F, which is acting, okay, let me say the force is acting over here. Here I will put all the types of confusion, students, okay, and then I will resolve the confusion. I'll make something like this, okay, let it be some other angle, okay, like this, F, okay, this is F vector. Now this is R vector, this is R vector. So moment of force about this point, because of this force, the moment of force because of this vector or this force about this point A is given as ma is equal to r cross f. Makes sense? Makes sense, students? Okay, this is the definition. Done. Nothing great in that. Okay, now let us see how to do it. Okay, how can we get this right? Okay, now if I say, for example, let me take an example. Okay, let us have example. Okay, write it neatly now, because next point I'm going to take this out. Example. Let us have a difficult example. First only we go with difficult things. Okay. We have it here. Then we go like this. Then we go to the top. Okay. And here let us see there is a, okay, and then here let us see it's like this. This is a rod, students. Okay. It's a rod here. It goes like this. It's a rod here. Okay. And now this rod is fixed here. Okay. This rod is fixed to the wall. Okay. And you see it is getting down by, say, this distance from here, center of this to center of this. Let us say it is 10 feet. Let us say it is 10 feet. And this distance over here from this to this line over here, so let us say it is 8 feet. Then let us say this distance from here till here, it is 4 feet. Okay, then over here, over this point, okay, let me draw a cube here, okay, or a parallelepiped. Okay, so let me draw a parallelepiped here. First only difficult one. Okay, because when you go with the difficult one you understand everything. Okay, then let us draw here like this. Parallelepiped. Okay, I'm putting it here. Now let us have a force which is acting from here to along the diagonal. Okay, this is along the diagonal here. Let us have along the diagonal. Okay, and let us say this parallelepiped, this is force F. This is force F. Okay, which has a magnet of 100 pound. Okay, these Englishmen are very stupid people. Okay, They say pound even today. Okay, so let us say this is 8, this is 4, and this is 4 feet. Okay, not even feet. We are not telling 8 feet. We are not taking feet. Okay, it is 4, 4, 4. Okay, along that a force of 100 pound is acting. Okay, a force of 100 pound. The magnitude of that force, magnitude of this force is 100 pound. Okay. Now we have to find. The question is, okay, find the moment of force F. Okay, moment of force F at A and B respectively. Sorry, B and B respectively. Can we do it? So A is this point. This point is A. This point is B over here. Let us say this point is C. Can we find moment of force about A, B, and C? I have told what is moment of force. R crossed with F. Can we find it out? First find out F. First thing we have to find out is what is F. What is F, students? Put it in terms of I, J, K. Let us start. Whenever difficult questions are there, let us start with simple understanding. Find out what is F force. Today is Vara Mahalakshmi, is it not? Write this figure, students, and tell me first what is the magnitude of that force F. Once we find that, let us put that this as D. Okay, this point as D. Next, find out, you get F R B when you take from the force to the B. So you can take it as BD vector. This R vector, change it like this, students. The arrow should be here, very important. Okay, the arrow, R vector arrow, make it here like this. Okay, this direction. Okay, so BD vector, B to D vector. Okay, find that out. Then what you have to take, moment of B is equal to R B crossed with F. That's it. Simple. Find out F, find out this, find the cross. Simple and sweet. So keep in mind, moment is a vector. Okay. So here we can decide, because of the force, what is the torque which is experienced by B, in which direction, it is rotated. This will help us later on to guess where the failure is, how the failure happens in structural engineering, because this force can come anywhere, is it not? So before going for anything, say in practice, we have to understand how to put force in a vectorial way, correct? And these are tools, students. We do not understand the tools, very important. And then we remember formulas, and then we go with the thumb rule. Just like a diploma, say engineer does it. He doesn't understand the theory. No need to understand for him also. Correct? Because he's more there, and the thumb rules has to be told by the engineer. Engineer has to do this calculation and tell him how to go about. Whatever engineer says, he does it. He's more worried about practical things there. Correct? But engineer has to have a theoretical understanding and also understand practical. So we think theoretical is enough, we get the degree certificate. And that is not useful. That is what our thinking is. No, it's useful. And it is not simply that a degree will be paid more than a diploma person. Why? Because he has to have knowledge. But now what is happening? People are saying in industry, or diploma and degree is the same. They have the same amount of knowledge, because they're true. We are not learning tools. When we don't have tools, we are similar to diploma engineers with experience, obviously. A fresh diploma engineer will not have so much of knowledge, But engineer with around say 5 to 6 years of experience, diploma engineer, he'll be as good as BE, today's BE. Okay, because we wouldn't have studied his basics properly. But if you go with these basics, you will get respect, students. You will get respect wherever you go. Respect is earned by your knowledge. And generally, when you go to the site or when you go to the real world, okay, they will say, oh, these people are AC born. They will say only pen and paper they will hold, and they will talk big things. They are only good at talking. That's what is the impression we engineers are creating on general society. We are not commanding respect. It's reality. And we are not contributing also. We are not contributing to any innovations. We are not showing any character. We in the sense, me included, okay? Because I was same like you only. Because of IIT, those environment, my mindset has changed. Otherwise, I am same as you. No difference at all. Or same as a lot of people. Okay. So when I say blame others, I am blaming myself also. But the system is like that. What to do? Yeah. Done, students. Have you got F? Tell the force first. The other things we'll see later.
-40.8 to -40.8.
But one thing has not been done by me. Okay, very problematic. That I have not defined the coordinates. Correct. Let us define the coordinates. You have
Yes.
to tell me that to define it. Okay. Let us define the coordinates. I'm sorry, Ashutosh. I don't know which coordinates did you use. Okay.
I used there itself, sir. Okay, maybe I'm wrong.
No, you're not wrong. Come on, you're not wrong. Okay. Keep using that coordinates itself. Okay. Whatever coordinates you have used, use that coordinates. Okay. You will get the same result. You have to get the same result. Okay. Let us take this as X. Okay. Now tell me, students. Whatever coordinates you use, it's okay. I am using this coordinates. You will see end result will come as same.
I got -40.82 I plus 81.64 J plus 40.82 K. That's force.
What is that force, sir?
Force is
What is the unit vector?
unit vector -0.4082 I plus 0.8164 J plus 0.4082 K.
So you have taken the same coordinates, right?
No, sir. I took there, sir, in the box itself, the behind one.
What is the direction?
No, I took it as -4i plus 8j plus 4k, sir. -4i, where you have
Correct,
this,
correct.
where
I
you
got
have
it.
there itself. I have
I got
taken
it.
the
So if I used this coordinates, I will get it as 0.8164 J minus 0.4082 K, okay, plus sorry, not this, okay, plus 0.4082 K and minus 0.4082, sorry, plus 0.0402 J minus 0.82 K. This is what I will get, correct, with this coordinates. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what you do with force? You multiply by 100. That's it. So the force you get it as 81.64 I plus 40.82 J plus 40.82 K. What is R vector with this coordinates? The R vector with this coordinate will be from this point to this point. What is that? It is in terms of x we are not going anywhere. In terms of j we are going 4 feet, correct? So 4, this is Newton, very important, this is Newton, okay, and this is feet, okay. So it is 4 j, correct, 4j minus 8k, correct. This is BD vector. Now find out RB cross with F. Can you do that, students? Simple. The question is simple. Students, don't switch off yourself, okay? Please do not switch off yourself. One of the main trouble we do is when we learn complicated things, we switch off. Instead of facing it, we switch it off, we switch ourselves off, and then forever we will not know it. Kindly do not switch off yourself. Start thinking again why it has come. It is just like cracking a nut. With the first hit, it may not cut. It's a tough nut to crack. Okay. How many of you?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, in finding out the F, can you please tell the procedure once again, sir?
Yes.
Yesterday I got confused.
Okay. So here to find out F, let us do it. Okay. To find out F, you have here, observe. It is like this, is it not? This is how F was, correct. So here this point is over here. This point is over here. From this point I have to go till here, correct. This is F. And it is given as magnitude of F is given as 100 pound. Fine. Oh, sorry, that is pound then. I'm sorry. This is pound, students, okay. This is pound force. This is pound, okay. Fine. So now 100 pound is the force here. So this is 8. This is 4. This is 4. What is the direction? This is X. This is Y. See the direction which is given, okay. Y. This is Z. This is what our coordinate system is. So now if I have to go from this point to this point, what should I do? I should say, let us put this as, this was D, is it not? Let me put this as E, okay. So if you want to find out DE vector, I am not doing the force vector, keep in mind, keep the difference. I am finding the DE vector, not the force vector, okay. So DE vector, which is position vector, is given as 8I plus 4j, sorry, minus 4j. Why minus 4j? Because I am going in the sorry, plus 4j, this is Z, I'm sorry, this is Z, okay. So it is plus 8I, then plus 4j because I'm going in the y direction, then minus 4k. This is clear. This is clear. Now what we have to find out, this is in terms of meters or feet, whatever is the case. Let us say feet here, okay. Then here this one would be DE, unit vector would be 8I plus 4j minus 4k divided by square root of 8 square plus 4 square plus 4 square. This will give the answer what we have got now, okay. What is the answer? 80, no, we will get this as 0.816, correct. So we will get this as 0.816I plus 0.408 J, correct, plus 0.408 K. Makes sense? Is this clear till now? Now what is the force? Force is nothing but magnitude of force into the direction, which is DE, unit vector direction. Magnitude of force is 100 and DE unit vector is 0.816I plus 0.408 J plus 0.408 K. Makes sense? So what is this? It is 81.6I plus 40.8 J plus 40.8 K. Makes sense, students? This is my F vector.
So that minus should come in one.
Minus, this one
Minus
is
40.8 something.
correct. It's minus. Makes sense? Anyone who did not understand this? Anybody who did not understand? No one. Everybody understood. Very good. Good. Okay. Fine. Okay. So that is my force vector. Fine. So once I get the force vector, r vector we have found out. Is it not? What is r vector? R vector is given as if you consider here r with respect to b, correct? R with respect to b is 8 k minus 8k and then plus 4j, correct? So r vector is plus 4j minus 8k, correct? So what is r crossed with f? R crossed with f will come as ijk. I'll write it bigger. ijk. We have r crossed with f. So 0, 4, minus 8 first r, then 81.6, 40.8, minus 40.8. We will repeat it again here. I 0, 81.6, J 4, 40.8. Makes sense? Now go for 4 into 40.8. Find out what is that answer, students. Tell me what is the answer you get. Oh, again current gone. There is a big problem with this today. I don't know why they are doing this. Done, students?
Sir, can you tell that R vector, sir, once?
See, R vector when you take, just a second. When you go for R vector, from B to D you have to go, is it not? So from B to D if you have to go along Z direction, negative. See, this is positive in this direction. Negative, I have to go in this direction, right? By 8 feet. In which direction? K direction. Z is related to K. And plus 4, in which direction? Y direction. Along X direction, nothing to be gone, correct? Because it is at the same X coordinate, correct? B and D has the same X coordinates. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what is happening here? You have 4j minus 8k.
Sir, I got around 489.6 I.
There's a mistake.
164I
Very good. 160
minus
What is
656J.
the answer? MB comes as
MB 64I.
163.2. This is what is the textbook answer. You may differ. Okay.
I rounded off it.
Yeah, 653J. Who said 653 at that time? I'm sorry, I told you wrong. Okay. Minus 326K. Did you get this?
Close to that. Because I rounded off. Right.
A bit here and there is okay. Instead of 163, you get 165, no problem. Instead of 653, you get 650, no problem.
Then MA, sir.
Huh?
MA.
MA we will find out.
160.
The MA is 163, 245, minus 245 and 81.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Good. Who is this?
Sagar.
Sagar. Very good, Sagar. Very good, Sagar. Good. So MA, this is MB. Okay. So if you consider MA, find out that, students. Anybody has doubts here? Okay, I will write it MA and then you have to solve it, students. You have to put your struggles now. Okay. MA, and kindly do not switch off yourself. Keep your mind open. Okay. I know it is uncomfortable, but this uncomfortableness will propel you. A person who is comfortable will not learn. Okay. Fine. This is MA, what is got according to this coordinate system. Makes sense. has come.
So that MB, the answer should come in this format only. Like if you change the XY direction, will it get changed or?
Yes, it will be changed, but the values won't be changed.
Yeah, values are got the same.
Yes.
But it's interchange.
Yes, that's not a trouble. It depends on the coordinate system you take.
Okay.
According to your coordinate system, we will draw the moment vector. And according to my coordinate system, we will draw the moment vector. You will see it coincides on the space. Make sense? Got my last statement?
Yes, got it, sir. So is it minus 326K minus, like I got, my answer is 326.8I minus 163.2J plus 653 point, I got plus in that you also it's minus, it's okay, that's.
It's correct, you are correct, not it's okay, it's correct.
It's correct, right? No, I got my 1 plus I got.
That's
2
okay.
plus,
That's okay because the K direction what I have taken, your direction is, I will tell you, your direction is, tell me the values again.
326.8I.
Okay.
Minus 163.2J.
Then?
Plus 653.6K.
Okay, fine. Now your direction is, I will tell you, your direction is, this is X, according to your direction, correct? And then your Y direction is this. Wait a minute. Your Y direction 163J here. Your Y direction is 653. Wait a minute. 653 is K. So wherever my that is X direction. Fine. Okay. So 326. Okay. K. Okay. Then 163. So wherever my X direction is, your Y direction is here. It's the same 163. Your Y direction is here. Correct. Correct.
Z
And your
is
Z
the,
direction, okay,
yes,
goes
yes.
above like this, or the below one. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So no.
Above one only.
Yes. So don't worry. What's the problem?
Okay, sir.
But there is one problem you have done here. No, you're proper. You're proper. Done. You're proper. 100%. Good. Good. Good.
But as per your diagram, I made it like ulta kind. It's a kind
That's
of.
okay.
That's fine, right? Okay,
That's
fine. I'll
fine.
continue. I'll continue with it.
You continue with that. The coordinate
Yes.
system here and there doesn't matter.
Okay.
Coordinate system depends on what you take. What
Yes.
you say X, Y, and Z.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, I didn't get you. What?
It depends on what you say X, Y, and Z.
Depends on what I say. Z. Okay. Okay, so got it. Got it.
Got it. I can call this as east. Okay. Or I will say this is some other this one. Doesn't matter.
Okay, sir. Got it.
I have to consistently say, if I say this is west, I have to say consistently west.
Got it. Got it.
Correct.
Got it.
Sir, 81.64I plus 163.28J minus 244.92K.
Which one?
Final answer, sir. R crossed with F.
Yeah, this one, yes. With respect to MA, we have two things. We have two things to solve. What is MB and one MA?
MA, sir.
Correct. MA is this, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Good.
244.92.
Good, good, good.
Yes.
Good, very good. Others? Anybody who did not understand this? Are facing difficulty in this? How many of you did not understand? Raise your hands.
Sir, I have not understand one thing, sir. So why we have taken RB vector as BD only, sir? Vector BD. Why we have considered it?
Because we have to take with respect to B. See, if I say this here, how did I define a force, moment of force? M is equal to R cross F. So when I take R, it is from the point about which I have to take the vector, take the moment to the point where the force is acting. that vector is R. Make sense?
Positive or negative doesn't matter, right, sir? It depends on axis we took.
It depends on axis. Yes, it depends on axis. Positive, negative does not matter. It depends on the axis. Correct. Okay. Yeah, Varsha. See here. From A to this point. From the point.
So can we take from A to D, sir?
When you take MA, you have to take A to D. You have to say with respect to what vector, what point I am taking the moment. Two questions are there. Find the moment of force F at A and B. When you are taking moment of force at B, you will take BD. When you take moment of force along A, you will take AD. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got
You
it.
have to see with respect to what point I am
Yes.
taking the moment. For example, it depends on your application. For example, if you are considering you want to open up, say, a door. This is a door, I say. This is a hinge. Okay, this is the hinge here. Okay, let us say this is the hinge. And this is the door. And you have a force being applied here. Fine. Force may not be at the same direction, correct? Force can be somewhere here like this. Okay, we are sometimes a kid may go in some other direction. But the moment what is acting here depends on the force vector multiplied by this distance. This is R, correct? Now another kid may act over here. So with respect to this point, the force is here. Or it may so happen that this is fixed. Sometimes what happens, there are two hinges, correct? One hinge may be here, another hinge on the this one only, there might be another hinge over here. This may be fixed, this may be fixed, okay? And this may go. So when it goes, the R reduces, is it not? It depends with respect to what it is rotating, is it not? It's on the purpose.
Yes, sir. Got it.
So the first one was with respect to B. Second one was with respect to A when you lock this link. So moment with respect to what we are taking, that is important. I hope I'm clear on this.
Yes, yes, sir. Clear, sir. Thank you.
These are very basics, and if you don't remember this, if you don't have a hold on this, later on it will become difficult. Okay, especially when we are a core engineer, civil, mechanical, electrical, okay, electronics. We have to get a very strong base on vectors. We cannot live without vectors. Okay, this you are convinced? Yes, thank you. So we will meet again at 11:30. Okay. Sorry, we have one more. No, say 9:30 we have started. Yeah, 11:30 we will meet again. Okay. Thank you, students. We'll meet with continuity. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.